A quaint white cottage sits in a lush garden with a stone arch and wooden door. Shingled roofs and vibrant pink blooms line a stone path, creating a serene, picturesque getaway. This two-story greenhouse features white trim and a cozy porch. A stone path leads through a riot of colourful shrubs and flowers, framed by a classic white picket fence and trees. Rustic charm defines this white cottage with its brown roof and wooden door. Nestled in a garden of roses and greenery, stone paths and rocky borders add deep texture to the scene. A wooden house with a stone chimney sits in a vibrant garden. A brick path leads to a porch with a wreathed door, while a wooden bench offers a quiet spot amidst colourful blooms. Modern grey design meets nature here, featuring a wooden porch and large windows. Lush greenery and vibrant orange flowers surround the stone path, accented by a lattice wood fence. Tranquility reigns in this garden with a white house and grey roof. A stone path winds through bushes and flowers toward a porch with a black door, under a clear, bright blue sky. This beige two-story home features a welcoming porch and bay window. Hydrangeas and purple flowers line the stone path, while a black metal fence marks this tidy suburban retreat. A dark grey house is tucked away in a textured garden of ferns and lavender. A stone path leads to the porch past a large metal pot, creating a vibrant and very inviting entrance. This serene backyard features a large shade tree and a grey house with a wooden deck. A lattice fence encloses a space filled with red flowers, gravel paths and potted plants. Nestled in a dense forest, this modern stone and wood home features large, reflective windows. A stone path and water fountain sit among vibrant ferns for a peaceful atmosphere. A soothing green house sits behind a wooden picket fence. Roses and daisies fill the garden, where a stone path leads to a small porch with a bench under a perfect blue sky. This grey two-story home features a unique round window and an elegant black gate. Red and white blooms fill the garden, while a brick path leads through a white picket fence. Wrought iron details and a black lamppost accent this grey house. Surrounded by white hydrangeas and red roses, the scene is bathed in natural light against a clear blue sky. A green cottage sits behind a wooden arch draped in white roses. Stone paths and a picket fence guide you through a colourful riot of pink and yellow blooms under fluffy clouds. This black cottage with a grey roof sits in a sea of purple and pink flowers. A stone path leads through the lush greenery toward the dark door, set against a tall, leafy forest.